We're gonna install my new BW Companion fifth wheel hitch. I got the 25,000 pound rated one. Figured I'd rather get a little bit extra. Our RV is 18.5 fully loaded, so I figured getting the 25,000 would be very safe rather than getting the 20,000. Here we go. We're gonna install the hitch in the bed of the truck again. The weather's nice. It's not supposed to rain, at least not for a couple hours. So we're gonna finally get this done. All right, I've already got the cotter pins out. We've got the Companion 25K B&W hitch, and we are going to drop it into the puck system, adjust the legs, tighten it down, and then finally the base will be done. Once you drop it into the puck system, depending on how tight these are, you need to adjust the castle nuts. You want to have a little bit of force to turn the handle, but not a ton. That one was perfect right there. So then you take your cotter pins. Now that they're all in and adjusted, give it a wiggle. Shake on it, pull on it. There's no give. All right, this is safe and this is secure. Once they're all in, take your pliers and give your cotter pins a bend, and the base is in. Now that the base is installed, we just need to put the coupler on top. First thing we need to do though is use some Lucas Oil white lithium grease up the pivot points real quick, and then put the coupler on top and lock it all into place. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this white lithium grease on the pivot points. Take a little rag, rub it in, put a nice little coat on it. Be sure to get all of it. A nice light, even coat. Pins in place. Lock these down with the cotter pin. Open up those jaws, lock the jaws in place. Put the safety pin back in. And we are set. It's about time.
Good morning. Good morning. So today we are at a very special place. See if you can guess.
No, Christmas is my favorite time of year it's decorated for, because every night during there's like scheduled times Main Street snows.
Yeah. Lareka and Diane are in Disneyland.
Run out, you! years tell, 'tis only me what's got the goods.
Okay, first ride down, Pirates of the Caribbean, and it was awesome. I haven't been on it in about 5-6 years, so felt like a kid.
Well, save your piglets.
This is fun! Goodness gracious!
Where are we going? Because you've done it before.
Ride of the Resistance.
Okay, and I've never done it before.
It's an amazing ride.
Diane actually just got off. Went with her granddaughter and her daughter, and then we did like the child swap, whatever it's called. So now we're gonna go. Let's see what it's all about.
Please, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Bakara.
We've been caught. We've been caught. By all the stormtroopers. We're on that, what is it? The Rise of the Resistance. But what is that? We got sucked in. I can't remember the Dark Force, what it was called, but that's where we're going now. I've been assigned what color? Orange. We are orange. We're waiting to go inside.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
It's 2 droids anyway.
On Thunder Mountain, and I haven't been on this in so long. It's my favorite as a kid. We're getting ready. So I just got off of Thunder Mountain and it did not disappoint. I remember why I loved it as a high schooler, and it was awesome. So far today, still my favorite ride.
Inside the boat. And please watch your children.
Melting at Disneyland.
Hi, everybody.
Still in Disneyland.
Still in Disneyland.
Look who met up with us.
I'm Cousin Brooke.
Cousin Brookie.
Cousin Brookie's here.
Just hang on. We got family time going on here. So, where are we going now? Buzz? We're gonna go in Buzz.
The robotic army is stealing historic fusion power cells.
Just imagine, if you were standing right here over 60 years ago, you'd be standing in the middle of an orange grove. One visionary man stood right where you are now, but instead of orange trees, he envisioned a magic kingdom. This man's name was Walt Disney, and his dream would be called Disneyland. From the day we arrived on the planet, to the sun. There's more to see
Good afternoon. Okay, so today we are headed to the beach. We actually just got here. I don't know which one, but I will find out. We haven't set up or anything, but we pulled over and parked, I should say, and we heard all of this barking, and let me show you what was on the other side. What is happening, Diane? What do we just drive up? What beach are we at?
Channel Islands.
There we go. I didn't know.
There's tons of them.
Uh-huh.
I'd say at least 40, 50.
It's amazing.
Beautiful day at the beach today. Not too hot, not too cold. But the water's freezing cold. I'm not gonna lie.
So you're not going in?
Only to my ankles.
Okay, so today we are on our way home from Cali, and we stopped to take a little break, and we stopped over by these fun dinosaurs. See the T-Rex? Super windy out here, but inside the Brontosaurus is a store, so we're gonna go in.
Hey, thanks for watching. Do us a favor, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button so you know when we're releasing new videos. And we will talk to you guys soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Pretty mountain.